just here at the West Algonquin ATV rally. Holy, that thing is massive. Should do that to the Canam. Co, there's an ace.
900 at least.
Dude, you got an ace, brother.
See, that's what that
Your fingers are cold.
I want to see what the difference is. I don't see any difference.
The A-arm's different or no?
They look the same shitty AR.
Yeah, I know. I was looking at it.
The shocks look the same shitty shocks.
No lower doors. He's gonna get muddy.
They claim we're supposed to have some better shocks.
That might be a little bit heavier duty. Oh, driver's meeting.
And so, remember to check in, please. And I don't care if you get hurt. If you get, you roll your bike and you die and you get an arm cut off, come back here first. Just to let you know, we were contacted by the local OPP as well as the SAVE team out of North Bay, so they are out there on the trails today. They are looking for licenses and insurance. They're going to do ride checks, and they're going to be checking for speed, radar speed on Forestry Tower Road. So it's posted at 50 kilometers an hour. So ATVs are only allowed to do 20 kilometers an hour up or down Forestry Tower Road. So please watch your speed. And they want us to make sure that we're driving in single file on the right-hand side of the road. So the local OPP guys are pretty cool. The SAVE team is not so nice. So they have a zero tolerance policy. So be warned. Also, the law is that when you're on the road that your lights should be on. So before you hop on your ATV and get going, make sure your lights are on for the day. We'll be watching for that. Make sure your helmets are done up tight. Watch your speed. And like I said, the drinking, like I say, they're going to be doing the spot ride checks out there. So the ride today is 100 kilometers. You're going to be 40 kilometers to the lunch canteen, so it's not a rush to get there. 60 kilometers after lunch, that's when the rush comes on, because you've got to be back here for 5. And out at the lunch canteen, we do have the trailer shim. If you are that incapable to make the route, we can bring you back by trailer. So maybe it's not you, it's your bike. If you're driving a Polaris, you'll probably be on the trailer.
You burned. You just got burned, Colin.
So, 2 things you got to remember: police and check-in. Check in after you're done here for 5 o'clock. We'll have supper. We'll try to be wrapped up and out of here by 6 o'clock, and at the end of the day, we'll ask for a little bit of help taking the tent and stuff down. But enjoy your day, guys, and like I say, be back here for 5 o'clock. And the trail goes straight out from the tent here, behind here. That's where you start. So have a good day, guys.
Nice. Let's roll.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. I send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's fact.
What's up with DUKEBOYZ Nation? Yet again, I forgot to make an outro. So, the Kearney rally. It was fun. I had a lot of fun. It was my first rally. It was kind of, there was some boring parts to it when we were riding along the fire roads and stuff, but that's expected. It was pretty dusty that day too, so. But overall, it was a good time. It was a good experience. Never been on a rally, so it was nice to experience that. And the Canam did just like it usually does. Never disappoints. No carnage, other than I did put a light bar on it, and my homemade brackets totally failed. You see that? They totally failed. And I'll show you the light bar. I don't know, I was just trying to cheap out. I bought a light bar before I really looked into the bracket situation for the light bars, but this is what I'm talking about here. It was a pretty shady looking freaking bracket anyways. It did hold up for most of the day, and then it said see you later. So other than that, yeah, if you liked the video, hit that like button, nail that subscribe button, and make a comment if you do or you don't like it. Whatever, don't care, just into riding, right? So I will see you guys around.